The rate is 25.34 local pesos. Amigo.
One world, one ride.
Hi guys, this is Debashish, and today I would like to wish everyone who's watching this video a very happy Diwali. May God bless you with lots of happiness and prosperity. I hope you're liking the videos. Yeah, a small thing that a lot of people have been asking about the maps. I can't draw maps, but I am following Google. So if you really want to know which route I've taken, usually I mention the routes, but then again you can please Google it because मेरे से नहीं होता वो, I don't know. I'm not getting time to edit it, but still I'm trying my best to do it. So please cooperate and enjoy the video. Love you all, and see you in some next video. And once again, happy Diwali to you. Bye bye.
Good morning guys, this is Debashish here again. Today we are going to Frias. Frias is around 557 kilometers and time travel will be 6 hours. Hoping for a good ride and yeah. Hoping for a good ride and yeah. डीजे हाँ आया तेरा
हाँ
भाई आगे से ये इधर से राइट है ना
हाँ मेरे को पेट्रोल डलाने का बाहर निकल के डलाऊंगा
हाँ टू 2.6 पे राइट है
हाँ
अरे माँ की आग बारिश का संभावना है आज है
देखते हैं
Okay, so I had to change my gloves because the weather is getting pretty warm here because we have climbed down. Right now we are at 4,155 feet above sea level. So from 12,000, which was freezing, right now it's quite pleasant, but then I had to change my gloves. We are going to Frias. RN9, I think this is highway number 9, then we're gonna change to some other highway. I'll keep you updated. Till then, they said it was really a nice time we had. I couldn't record it because I was not carrying my camera, but we went to a nice restaurant and there was live music. It was nice. But I couldn't record it because I was not carrying the camera. I wish I could have carried it. But anyways, nevertheless, it was fine. Nice. Alright, so we have done around 100 kilometers and 198 to go. The time is 10:23. Roads are good, weather is pleasant, I would say. Pleasant, not too hot, not too cold. This is the reason you can see me standing on the bike, because we are not feeling cold. And a nice ride, nice roads. Scenic, I would say I've seen this. It's more of greenery, yeah. Okay, I think this journey is not that interesting, and we are just, going to, nothing much to explore. I think I'm going to explore Buenos Aires. In Argentina, I'm not going to explore much because right now the ride is getting on to both of us. Yeah, enough of South America. We just want to finish it and move to the next continent. So far so good. I'm actually looking forward to meet Santosh. See Santosh on the 20th. We'll be reaching Buenos Aires on the 15th, and they're gonna reach by 20th. So looking forward to meet him. Internet in hotels really suck because no good internet. Yesterday I didn't have any access to any internet. It is very difficult to load Instagram photos also. So yeah. Anyways, I managed to download the map, offline maps from Google in the morning, because you can't plan your next destination if you don't have internet. I'm not taking DJ in the conversation because I don't know, DJ is getting cranky. He's getting very sensitive in small issues, and then it doesn't look good that उल्टा बात करेगा तो अच्छा नहीं लगता. So yeah. In fact, both of us are getting cranky. It's not that him getting cranky, or because it is like this, that these kind of rides, I'm really thankful to DJ that he is still with me and we are still riding together. This means that we are very good friends. Right now, if you tell me, I don't know. But then I am sure that's why we have stuck together through thick and thin. And how much we fight, I think we're gonna stick together till the end. This is the fighting, and everything is just a phase, I believe. It is just a phase because it's not permanent, it is temporary, because the situations are such that we are going through. You are mentally, physically, both are tired right now. So we did 2 continents at a stretch, from New York and the South America. We did it at a stretch, and I think this time we need rest. So we're waiting to reach Buenos Aires, and by the time the bikes get shipped to Australia, we'll get a good rest, and then we can continue the journey, take the journey forward. That is what I can say right now. Yeah. The rate is 25.34 local pesos. Amigo. Hey DJ, चल. Now my range is, wow, nice, 520, so I can go 384 aram se. The reason I filled up, I didn't have to fill up, but the reason I filled up because you are yet to understand the pattern of petrol pumps. There is in every country how frequent the petrol pumps are and the availability of the petrol. After Bolivia, yes, the availability of the petrol. But yeah, I think you're gonna make it. I don't think there should be a problem. You get small towns, you get fuel. That's nice. Always put super 98 because किधर है यार डीजे
हाँ बोल
आ रही है
हाँ
अच्छा मैं हाईवे पे आ गया हूँ
हाँ हाँ
गर्मी हो रही है यार आ गया आ गया आजा ये पहाड़ चले गए और लामा भी दिखना बंद हो गए और लामा होता है ना लामा वो भी दिखना बंद हो गए इधर बैल और गाय दिख रहे हैं So we had stopped here for some refreshments. Still 250 kilometers to go. The time is 12:39. We are doing good. So far so good. And it is hot. It's fucking hot.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Oh boy. हाँ बोल क्या हैं हेलो
हाँ
क्या बोल रहा था
नहीं
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है 49 पे राइट है ना
हाँ
अच्छा 274 So right now we are in route 157. Earlier it was route number 9 and we've changed to 157. Roads are narrow. Route number 9 was good. But anyways, we'll get route number 9 later on. The weather is okay. It's warm, in fact. Roads are We just stopped here for fuel because he didn't want to take chances. So it's better he fuels up and I can go till the destination. I think now after fueling up he can also go to the destination. Yeah. And it's hot. It's very, very hot right now. Oh boy. Okay, we had stopped here for lunch. I had a grilled chicken and mashed potato. भाई और कुछ मिलता नहीं है, अगर नहीं खाओ तो भूखे मर जाओ। वेफर खा के ज़्यादा टाइम not possible. So now we have 50 more kilometers to go. And yeah, I think this is the road which we're gonna take. $50 kilometers to be exact. DJ?
हाँ बोल।
आ रहा है?
हाँ
आ
ना।
गया। चलो आ जाओ। बड़ा लाइट बंद कर। सात 700 मीटर पे लेफ्ट और होटल आ जाएगा। इधर ही किधर तो होना चाहिए। लेफ्ट, ये क्या नाम था रे? इधर ही किधर तो है।
होगा ये
होटल कोलोन, होटल कोलोन। कौन सा है? होटल कोलोन। ये शायद है क्या? होटल कोलोन। पार्किंग ये है क्या होटल का पार्किंग? चल रुक, मैं डालता हूँ इधर और पूछता हूँ। हाँ
Okay guys, so today's ride was nice. We covered 500 kilometers in 7 hours with break and fuel break and lunch break and everything. Tomorrow we ride to Cordoba. It's again not much, 300 kilometers. It's becoming warmer now, and yeah, that's all. To all the lovely people who are watching this, I hope you enjoyed. Today's ride was nothing much to show, but then it's okay. And this town is and not much to see, so I'm not going to explore. I'm going to rest. The best part is checking in early is you get a lot of rest, but still I'm going to go off to sleep now, and I'm going to get up and again I'm going to go off to sleep after having dinner. But to all the lovely people who are watching this, stay blessed and bye-bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.
One world, one ride.
No Espanol.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Hola.